I'm sorry if I'm disappointing you. I'm tired.
Frisbee. Are you any good at frisbee?
I miss everyone so much.
Really goosey. Yummy? You like that?
Is it Nana?
Nana.
Same thing. Whoops.
Nah. She's the one that misbehaves.
Hey, my left side is my best side though. Let me get one because
Too closer to my house. Here, let me get one.
Oh, you're always picking up chicks.
Your Johnny's getting old, huh?
Johnny Park.
Because we get cold in this.
She's running after the ducks.
You're armless.
Oh, here, let Scotty feed you the chip. You got a big bruise here.
I'm not surprised. The kids are
Oh, yeah. No, I wish I was. I'm still in property management. I think it's weird that she was, I'm sorry, I think it was last year. She was like,
Quit mine. I'm July. In the
birthday. Because he's got Jasmine's birthday.
How long you going
Yeah.
for? Careful of the milk.
Not your drink, though. That's trash. We gotta take that with us.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's... Kisses. Did you give him kisses? That's so...
really like my spaghetti. She didn't give a good review.
Hi. 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 Can you go? Get it, girl. YMCA. Burn the cup.
You can't take this one nowhere.
Oh.
You got teeth. Yeah. Teeth.
You got teeth too?
Tail.
I have to wave to him.
Nice dog.
Oh, nice. He's very big. Good job.
He's barking.
That's what they do. Got the two redheads.
Oh, she's into the Pikachu.
You like my shoes?
That's Pikachu. It's good. Close.
Whoa, good job. Yeah, good job.
How is yours? What's your shirt?
Wow, she's not two, right? Or
She's
what?
two.
Oh, is she two?
No, 21. Well,
told her
close.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really good, actually.
Pink passes.
we haven't sent them to any class, so like a lot of kids like go to special.
You just passed.
At least. Okay. Where are you going? Watch for the white rat.